How to create bottom elevation tag for sloped duct. We can use this method for pipe too. So here I have, and it have slope. When you go to elevation, it looks something like this. So I need a tag that shows bottom elevation of this duct. Since it have slope, I need the tag to present both lower end bottom elevation and upper end bottom elevation. So to do that, first I'm gonna tag this duct. Go to annotation, tag by category, click, and this tag shows the size, not the elevation. So we can edit. If there is available tag here, we can pick from here, but we can edit also already available tags. So we can edit family. It shows the size, but we can click on it and edit label. So here I don't need this size, so remove. We need to find lower end bottom elevation and upper end bottom elevation. I need these two labels, so click OK. We can expand this, and also we need to create a break at the middle. So when we hit apply, it will break and consider as two lines. So here I can also edit label, and I can also add some prefix. These are actually the values, and the prefix I can just use some for lower and bottom elevation, and for this upper and bottom elevation you can use whatever prefix we want. Click OK, and also I might add some this. Click OK again, load, override the existing. Here it is. For lower end bottom elevation, it says 2600. It's exactly here. And for this, for upper and bottom elevation, it shows this one. So like this, we can create a tag for sloped pipe, sloped ducts. We can also apply for pipes too.